Hi, folks. This is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another great product. This is an amazing new phone from catphones.com. They have that logo there that reminds you of heavy-duty trucks and lifters, etc., hydraulics, etc. You can check out their latest phone that we've gotten a chance to review. We've reviewed a number of them over the years with the Chris Voss Show. This one is the Cat S42. It's basically an essential work phone that you can take and use on extreme situations, job sites, construction sites, wherever you're doing a lot of heavy work and you need a good rugged phone that can take some punishment, a beating, and everything else. So this is what these guys have done. They put all the ruggedness into a phone so it can deal with the punishment of a work site, but you can also have the sophistication of using your phone. It's pretty much pretty rugged in the way it's built. It's got a powerful 4200 milliamp hour battery. It's water and dust proof, IP68. It's drop tested to 1.8 meters onto steel with military specs of 810H. On the screen, it's got the latest Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so it can take punishment. Waterproof smartphone up to 1.5 meters for 35 minutes. It's got a 5.5 HD plus 18:9 display optimized for outdoor use with touchscreen that can be used with wet fingers or when using gloves, so that's important. It's got Android 10 with an upgradable option to 11 when it comes out. 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of ROM, expandable storage, and a micro SD. It's got MediaTek Helio A20MT6761D chipset, 1.8 gigahertz quad-core processor, a 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, LTE Cat 6, VO LTE, VO Wi-Fi. Basically, that's going to give you, your LTE service through your cell provider. It's got textured extra grip design. I got to tell you, that makes a huge difference. You're not going to have to worry about your phone sliding out of your hand as much, especially if it's wet or you're wearing gloves. So it's got a nice grippable back to it and sides. It's also reinforced around the edges as well, so that if you do drop it, it can take a little bit of punishment. It's got a programmable shortcut key that's used for push to talk, SOS, which is their lone worker app, or you can easily launch its torch or camera. It's got Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and a 3.5 millimeter audio jack, which is also waterproof. It's curated apps and content catalog. Cat has all these different apps that they've set up. They're kind of construction worker angled, and so you can take advantage of those as well. Has a dual SIM, nano SIM, and micro SD. 2-year warranty, Android Enterprise support, security updates coverage for 3 years, and zero touch support. We were really impressed with the phone. The phone is very rugged, very well built. Even though it's very strong, it's not overly heavy or anything like that. You can easily access all the different beautiful apps they put on it. And it's a phone that can take some punishment. So I think you'll definitely like it. It's inexpensive when it really comes down to most phones on the market, which is nice because if by chance you drove a giant one of those pit trucks over it and you had to get a new one, well, you're not going to lose an arm and a leg, but it definitely is well worth the money you're going to take and get for it. Be sure to check it out. You can go to catphones.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Check out the new Cat 42 smartphone. I think you'll like it. And we'll see you next time.